Boom! That day has come. Where the cloudy fish tank in the back of the video gets dealt with. Now, for a few of my people that have been around, you saw me do the video, and and when I started in here, it was in the back. Well, I'm gonna whoop this problem. Half the problem is I use city water. I know. You're like, that's a sin. I sinned. Forgive me. I used city water, which is bad, but I have never in my life ever had water this cloudy. I've never seen water this cloudy. This water is cloudier than anybody's water. The closest thing I've seen this dirty is like a muddy river. Like one of them lakes you go to that's super muddy. That's it. My backdrop is blue. You can barely tell. That is green water. Now, I got my whole refugium set up because I'm going to set that up at some point. But till then, I'm going to turn that light off because it obviously helps grow algae. I've only had that light on for 24 hours, though. I just bought this. But I got lucky. The reef gods have smiled upon me because of my horrible, horrible situation. My friend Tracy, he's an old school reefer, and he has a tank that is broke down, but not all the way. Still has a heater, still has a hang-on back filter, and it's slapped full of rocks. So I wanted some copepods. I was just trying to see what he's got. And he gave me a 5-gallon bucket full of rocks. So now I'm about to put this in there so the copepods make it and seed my tank, and then I actually have enough rocks to finish the other side. You can't tell that I haven't finished it because you can barely see the aquascape rock in the background. That is not the only, he said having a little more rock would help be part of the biological filtration. That ain't the only thing we doing, people. That ain't the only thing we doing. Let me go on in here. Turn the light on and bam! This is my $100 haul. I paid $110 for all this. It's got the TDS meters. I got 2 TDS meters. 3 TDS meters. Okay, anyway. Alright, so this is 9 screw-on chambers. And I'm going to get a plyboard, and I'm going to add them all together in sequence. I'm going to make a T-pot right here. I'll put another sediment filter, put a T here so I can just have carbon for clean water. And then I'll close the T, and it will go through the DI and the RO media and whatever. But I'm going to put it all on a big board so I can move it, because I don't want to, it takes up a lot of space. I don't want to put it in any particular place in my house, so I'm just going to store it away when I'm not using it. When I am using it, I'll make quite a few buckets of water, and that should last me, because my evap is slow. My tank isn't so big. It's 75 with a refugium. So yeah, those are the 2 things I'm going to, no, excuse me. Those are 2 of the things that I'm doing to try to fight this problem. Crazy filtration is about to happen. The rocks for biological, that's about to happen. And this man gave me his old school protein skimmer. Now, he said he's had it for some years and he upgraded to like one of these big ones. But he's like, this is one that I know work and it's sleek. And he just gave it to me. Damn, man. Old jiu-jitsu friends, man. This dude, I met this guy because he taught me jiu-jitsu. That's where I met this guy from. He taught me jiu-jitsu. And then I hit him up and I go by and then I come home with all this stuff. It is crazy. So I'm about to start skimming the protein. I'm about to throw those rocks in there. I'm going to hook this up. I'm going to just go ahead and call it what it is. This is the ultimate RODI water filtration system. I'm going to probably have to buy a pump. Let's be real. Doesn't matter though. It's all going together. We cleaning it up. So, if you've done anything with reef, you know exactly how it is. So I'm taking all these measures. I probably should have started with doing all these things before I got this far. Sometimes we make mistakes. I might have got too far. So, if I got too far, then I guess I'll never fix it. But I'll do damn near 100% water change. The filtration system also came with a bucket of sand. Salt. So I also got a bucket of salt. So I have enough salt to do the change. I have brand new filters to go into those. So yeah, I'm about to do a big old water change and get me a little bit of keto, Chado, Kato. I don't know how you say it. Anyway, wish me luck. Because I was brave enough to show you this. This is an embarrassment. I'm embarrassed of this tank. Ooh, that's horrible, man. I'm embarrassed. I've never had water look like that before. I've used city water before. We have some horrible water here. I don't even want to drink it anymore. So this is what's happening. So if you want to see my reef journey, please hit that bell, like, subscribe, do everything you can. You're going to need a warning. I don't do videos every day. I'm busy. Anyway, YouTube, I'm out.